Got it here, SIG MPX Advanced Sports Pellet Air Rifle. So like caliber is 177, the smallest one right here. So let's do quick unboxing. There you go, there's your air rifle, and it comes with magazine. And you see, it takes little pellets, and they sell this stuff separately. It's like one of those CO2 bigger canisters though. And to make it pretty, plug it back in. It's really hefty. So as you can see, this is so tiny compared to 25 caliber. 25 caliber is much bigger. So let's see if it will fit. So skip to which way? This one most likely. So this is actually very easy to load. I like it. And then we have quite a few shots over here. Anybody gonna count? It is still quite tedious, but once we set it all up, boom, there you go. Look at that, there is safety, straight up copy, loaded up. You see there's a mag pull with the buttons. Some of it are fake on this side. Not sure if this is real or not. So fire, let's see. Sights. It's not sighted in, so let's see what I do. Fire. Oh yeah. I kind of love it how it's shoots the air out. Very quiet, as you can see. Okay, check the magazine. Pretty sure I'm out. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, as you can see, it is very quiet, a little caliber, super quickly. I was shooting it at this board. You see, they don't go through much at all. Look, they barely go inside there. They barely deform. Look, they didn't even deform at all. You see it? Hit a couple boards over here. So yeah, pretty weak stuff, but it is a small caliber. They do get inside the board, some of them, but it's cool. It's fun, pretty shorty, that's for sure. Let's have a little bit of fun. I have a couple cans over here, so not sure if this is just for fun or it's actually charging. Scopes, sights. Whoa, definitely hit a can, but they exploded at both of them. So that's what happens to the can. It goes inside here and then busts open the back of it. So that's why it kind of popped through. But you know, those things are really light. There you go. It's super low. But yeah, definitely hitting some cans. Hopefully you guys can see. And not just far away shot. I think I'm out. It's hard to tell. You kind of have to count. It doesn't tell you anything. Safety back on. Boom. Yeah, definitely out. It shows me right there. Pretty fun, that's for sure.